I'm back. I'm back with more. Suck on that. Hi, all you Milwaukee soy boys. Folks, DEWALT DXL line. Here's the deal. You've got multiple different systems. They all snap together. They all work together in Congress. Who else does that? Nobody. DEWALT came out with the DXL line. TOUGHSYSTEM 2.0, yes. DEWALT came out with the TOUGHSYSTEM DXL line. And what do you know? My wife calls it a scooter, but I've got the rolling bass right down there. Rolling bass in your face. I've got the DEWALT DXL bass. I've got the DEWALT TOUGHSYSTEM 2.0 boxes. I got the DEWALT TOUGHSYSTEM 2.0 boxes. They make an adapter plate. I use them to attach my TSTAK boxes to my truck, but you can also snap them on to the 2.0 TOUGHSYSTEM box. Bam, boom, pow, kapow. TSTAK boxes go on the adapter plate, TSTAK boxes go, TSTAK boxes go on to the adapter plate, attaching them to the 2.0 TOUGHSYSTEM boxes, which is attached to the DXL rolling base. You have 3 different systems, but wait, there's more. This is red. This is Craftsman VERSASTACK. It goes right in there with everything else. I've got a bunch of different things. Of course, I have the TSTAK box, which has the adapter plate to attach the TSTAK to it. Look at this. You can spin it around. You can spin it around. What do you think I have here? What do you even think I have here? What do you think? The original TOUGHSYSTEM. You got DXL, TOUGHSYSTEM 2.0, regular TOUGHSYSTEM 2.0 once again. You got adapter plate. I was like, adapter? I hardly know her. So you got the adapter plate that allows you to put the TSTAK boxes on there. It's magical. It's nothing short of magical. Magical. It spins. You have red casters. You have yellow casters. One of the casters, they're color coded differently because one of the casters you can lock so that it doesn't turn. And the other one you can stop so it doesn't roll. So you can have it, you can swivel it around like your Price is Right girl or whatever. But when it comes time to have everything locked in, you want to be able to push it and actually steer it. You're going to lock in those turning casters and make them hold straight. Now folks, when I was buying these lovely 2.0 boxes, there's a gentleman said, I'll sell you my whole set. I guess he just doesn't realize that you can do so much with it. You really can. I'm going to break this down simply. I'm sure everybody's seen this, but it's magical. This is what your rolling base kind of looks like, is one half of it. When you fold this up, you can now lock in the little half boxes. They're pretty cool. Little organizers, or you go down and you can snap your other stuff in. I wanted to make a video and show you how exciting this is. I've got like 3 different eras here and they all work together. And who else does that? Nobody. You've got the Mac Pack crap. Doesn't go with the Mac Track. Who would want to put it with it? It's an abomination. But here, if you've got original TOUGHSYSTEM stuff, you can snap it right on. You've got your 2.0, snap it on, adapt it, go to the next system, get a plate. It's like 20 bucks, an adapter plate. You put your TSTAK on there. And then, but wait, there's more. The adapter plate, look at this. Just look. You can snap in your little tool organizer, little bit sets. Tell me this isn't awesome. They lock right in. You got a little thing here, a little pop, and it's off. Oh, hold on. See what I mean? Pop, and it's off. Let me make another tough case that I have. It's in my truck. It's a little bit larger. You can snap it on as well. There's actually a couple different little tough cases that you can put on there. They're muy fantastico. Chickadee check it. The flaps. That's what the TOUGHSYSTEM did. Just like TSTAK, you have to manually snap the flaps, which kind of sucks. Not gonna be super smooth, not as easy as TOUGHSYSTEM where you just plop it down and right up in there. But what can you do? What this gives me, it gives me versatility. Because I can say, hey, I want to put this in my truck, I want to roll with this in my truck versus that in my truck, and I can switch it around, find out what works best for me. I'm always trying to figure out a better way to organize my truck so that work goes a little smoother. I don't ever see me being rid of the TSTAK. I really enjoy it. On my truck, I think it's fantastic. So, other than that, Milwaukee Soy Boys, this is the serious portion of this video. I have found what works for me, that being DEWALT TOUGHSYSTEM, the DXL base, married to the 2.0 boxes as well. I even got a first run version of TOUGHSYSTEM adapter plate to TSTAK boxes. I have a perfect setup that I can switch out, take to my truck, take to my garage, have it however I like it. It's totally modular. No other system, nobody else does it like DEWALT does. Fight me on it. Don't fight me on it. Please subscribe. There you have it. If you're wondering, oh, are they good drawers? Yes. Are they quality? Yes. Do they snap in and lock in? Yes. Double drawers? Does that make a cool sound? Yes. Of course, the TSTAK drawers I've always loved. The TSTAK drawers, and oh, actually this is VERSASTACK, but same thing. Look at that. It's solid. It feels fantastic. You should have this in your garage if you aren't going to roll around with it for work. You should have this in your garage. TSTAK boxes are cheap. Folks, you could go with Milwaukee, yes. You could buy 87 different types of boxes, yes. Who needs it? I just need a core few type of boxes that are perfect for me. And somebody out there must know what I'm talking about. Lots of tool systems out there, lots of different types of storage systems out there. Nobody else is allowing you to marry basically 3 to 4 different eras, 3 to 4 different types of organizing boxes. What DEWALT is doing is unheard of, unparalleled, and I'm a fan for life. So there you have it. Take it or leave it. This stuff is good. Let's talk about it. Bye. Hello, welcome back. Hello, welcome to hello. And now for Tool Talk Minute. Welcome back to Tool Talk Minute. Hello, Tool Talk Minute. I have learned that most people nowadays would rather be shown, no, I've learned that most people nowadays just want to be helped. They don't really want to learn. There's that. Thank you for Tool Talk Minute. I don't know. Ladies, if you're looking for a gift for your special person, think no further than DEWALT. They make an array of tools and tool boxes and tool related items. They even make earbuds and protective gear. Keep your man safe, or if you're a burly lady, keep your lady safe. You know what I mean. The more you know. Hi. You know, every year, 37,000. Hi.